speculate on options, new kind of treatment, which is able to restore, on one hand, these receptor expression, but most importantly, restoring the ability of these cells to recognize and to react and to drive the adaptive immune response in a way that the immune system is able to correct the dysbiotic situation in the skin. But we are far from knowing first how the mechanisms is in fact taking place, and we are very much looking at possible compounds which may be able to restore the function of the Langerhans cells in that particular situation. Once we have that kind of compound, we would potentially have something in our hands which on the long run, and also in terms of prevention, could be able, in fact, at least to control the dysbiotic situation in a much better way. Based on these observations, we don't know whether we currently have already something in our hands which may act exactly in the same way I described before, that is per se able to correct the situation. What we suspect is that possibly just by trying to control the inflammation by itself would be one way, but this is not a specific way to restore this impaired recognition and activation mechanism. Currently, we don't know, in fact, what we are doing when we are applying topical treatments or even the newly developed biologics in the treatment of atopic dermatitis. We are currently looking at that. What is the kind of consequences for that particular kind of recognition mechanism which is impaired by the Langerhans cell?